I have been on a hair growth journey for almost 2 years here on TikTok, going from almost completely bald to getting my hair back almost fully at this point. And this all started because of one man, and that is Zeph. I followed him back in the day, and I liked his content. He was getting his hair back, and I was pretty much fully bald. I was 20 years old, and I decided if he was getting his hair back from a pretty bad state, then maybe I could do it too. Since then, early on in that journey, Zeph gave me a shout out on his account, really got me started here on TikTok, and ever since then we have always talked, we've always kept in touch. He's been like a mentor to me, and I'm happy to say he sent me some of his own products, and I'm excited to show you guys them. Zeph is really out here making moves. He started his own oil blend, which I've used for months. I've talked about this plenty of times on this account at this point. This is amazing because I used to mix all of my oils on my own, whether it's rosemary oil, pumpkin seed oil, castor oil. I used to buy them all individually, mix them in a little cup, and then use them until I have to mix it again. This combines those 3 oils as well as a bunch more, all natural, great for hair growth. All you gotta do, I'll literally put it on right now. All you gotta do is fill up this little syringe right here. Actually, I'm not gonna put it on because I put it on at night. And then you just drop it on your head. I do it like 3 times a week. Really a great additive to hair loss. If you're just using this, I wouldn't say that you're gonna grow all your hair back. You need to be on minoxidil and finasteride as well. But they say rosemary oil is just as strong as 2% minoxidil, so it's definitely a great thing to also have in your hair routine. It's great for scalp health as well. But my guy Zeph sent me a little care package here, so let's get into it and see what we got. Little silk lined hat, okay. I mean, check this thing out. Are you kidding me? I need to start making brands like this. Nah, I'm just playing. Check it out though. Check it out though. Oh, okay. Nah, I look good. I look good. Hide your girl, hide your wife, hide your grandma, hide your sister, and you know, maybe even like a distant cousin or relative, because with this hat on, not only is it protecting my hair, but I'm feeling good. Nah, I'm just playing. But silk lined hats are very good for hair loss because they say normal hats, sometimes that material inside can rub on the scalp and not be too great. Also, how you wear a hat is very important because I wear hats a lot, especially throughout this journey while I was balding. And so hats are key. So thank you, Zeph, for that. Man also sent me his very own derma stamp from his own company, The Main Solution. That's the company that the oil blend is from as well. By the way, the thing that I use mainly from everything is the oil blend, and that'll be linked in my bio as well if anyone wants to cop that, or you can just go to Zeph's account and look up his stuff. I'm sure you all follow him as well. Ooh! See, now this is fire because I use a derma roller and I've never had a derma stamp before. A derma stamp is different from a derma roller because not only can you adjust, let me open it up, I'll show you. Damn! So this is sick because this is a derma stamp and you can adjust how long, I don't know how to do it, I haven't done, like with this little thing, you can adjust how long the needle is that comes out. You can literally adjust it. And this is really good because you can just stamp on your head, or you can use a derma roller, which is what I have always used, but I've always wanted to have a derma stamp as well, because a derma roller is great for overall. You can overall derma roll, but a derma stamp is great to get directly in those balding spots that you need to hit the most. So definitely great to have both. I will be using this, so definitely. Let's see what else we got in the box. Now, granted, I don't know everything that he sent me or what it is. Right here we got, let's see here. We got a main vitamin supplement and another vitamin complex. To be honest, sorry, Zeph, I don't know much about this at all. I haven't looked into what exactly is in this stuff. But knowing Zeph, I'm assuming it's really good stuff. And I'll do my own research, and I'll probably make another video once I do my own research and talk about this stuff. But I'm not just going to blindly talk about it if I don't know what's in it. But thank you, Zeph. I appreciate it. And then also, this is key. My man sent me 2 more of the main elixir oil blends that I use. That is the exact thing I was talking about earlier because this is almost out, so that'll last me a really long time. Shout out Zeph, man, seriously. I mean, just look at all the stuff that's in this thing. This is my favorite product he has. Jojoba oil, castor oil, pumpkin seed oil, saw pimento extract, green tea extract, black seed oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, cinnamon bark oil, caffeine, and copper tripeptide. Now, if I told you I knew exactly what all of those ingredients did, a brother would be lying to you. But I know they're all natural. I know they're all good. Check out his account as well. He really explains it all in depth. This is the real deal, man. This is some real good stuff, especially as a creator on a platform where he makes hair loss videos. I know he's only going to be putting out the best of the best in the market because you got to be genuine in this space. So that's really awesome. Thank you, Zeph. Thank you guys. If you don't follow him, check him out. And yeah, I use this stuff all the time. It'll be linked to my bio if you want to check it out as well. I'll probably be making a more in-depth video about this soon, but I wanted to open this little care package on the video, and I wanted to just show some love. You know, Zeph's my guy. He's shown me nothing but love, giving me so much advice. He's got like 1 million followers on here. He's the real deal. And so yeah, thank you guys. So much love. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.